What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So, Catnap, y'all seem to really like the Catnap, monster Catnap video I put up, so let's do another one. And this one, I've been doing a bit of research. He does this weird praying pose, like not like a cat, like a person, which like makes him somehow creepier. Terrifying. So, always terrifying. But let's draw him. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. So, start with the head. And we'll go with those eyes. Well, yeah, we'll go with the eyes. So we'll go around. And they're not like circles, like they kind of like slant off this way a bit. So it kind of like curves around and goes to the corner like that kind of thing. Do the shape sort of over here as well. So kind of like a mirror image, similar. Sort of slanted down eyes. They're kind of like eggs, sort of, you know, like chicken eggs going that way. And then his glowing white eyes. So you just do like a circle there with a pupil in the middle. And we'll do the same thing. Circle, pupil in the middle. Why is he praying? That's what I want to know. So the nose just in the middle, typical cat nose, like a little triangle. Just there. And then his big mouth comes out from the middle of that, right? And it goes up like a big creepy smile. And then we'll go down, around. All the way up to there. Right, so head shape and ears and things. So just around the eyes, so we have this like kind of like eyebrows, but it's like the side of his head as well. And then the cheeks kind of come out from here. And then this just goes all the way down. Like so. And then the ears. And I think this ear has like a bit taken out of it on the bottom, like a little triangle, like that. And then there's a dark section inside. And we'll do the same on this side, a little triangle. There isn't a bit taken out of this ear, I don't think. It's just smooth all the way down. Right, and that is the head. Sometimes you could add kind of like an extra sort of little line, just like a lighter line, just to make his face look a little bit three-dimensional, you know, on the edges of things, just like coming around here, if you want. It's totally optional. You know. Just little lines like that make him look a bit like more realistic, I think. More like, you know, the video game version. Little sort of 3D lines. So then he's got that moon necklace right down here. Just like a letter C. This comes back around to there. And then there's little sort of three-dimensional edge lines. Like so, and then like say in here we can see. Just make it a bit 3D. And then it's like attached to his neck, like I don't know if it's a collar or is that stitches? Gotta check that actually. Oh, maybe that's just the neck. Does Catnap have a collar? Sorry, no, I'm just trying to figure out if that's stitching around the neck or what is it? Okay. Okay, so I would imagine there's like something like this here holding it together, and then the neck will come down just kind of skinny there, and then the top of the chest kind of just goes this way, right? And I think we can see like stitching just where the neck would join the body. Right, so he's real skinny, right? So we'll get, say, so the body and stitching. So we got like the armpit sort of there, like underneath the chest. Like that, right? And then he has all these like bumpy sort of ribs. Down here. And then like sort of his hips are there. Bony, sort of skeleton-like. And I guess this should be like a chest muscle. And then these are all like his ribs coming in. Curving around the rib cage. Like so. And then there's a zipper going the whole way down the middle. See a bit of it here. And then we have this sort of zigzag line just to show that it can sort of open up. Bit of a box at the bottom. And we just go in there as well. I think we'll just do some like detail lines on the chest. So we'll just finish off the body and then we'll add arms. So let's say like the hips, right? So it's real bony, right? Sticking out here, hip bone. And then this just kind of joins the leg. Real skinny going down that way. And then the inside of the hip here. That socket joint, you know, where your thigh joins your hips. And then the middle of the leg there. So these extra lines like that. And then this goes down like so. And then legs there and tail. Right, so where the legs and the arms join, we have long sort of stitching. So it's all sort of pieced together, right? There's like a line in between all these. Then we do something similar on this side. There's some down here. Then arms that are like out worshipping, sort of like hallelujah sort of thing. So it goes this way for the shoulder. And the arms are like just long, skinny sort of tubes, kind of bend there. And then it just goes up this way to the back of his wrist kind of thing. It gets a bit bumpy sort of here. His hands are kind of weird, kind of bumpy there. And they become claws, but I'll just do this side first. Really long now. So they've weird, like strange in the game. It's probably like a glitch thing. Probably shouldn't be like that. Looks like it's kind of furry at the top, so I'll do this kind of a thing, like furry, sort of where his fur joins the paw. Okay. And then some claws just coming out from there, right? So yeah, there should be one here anyway. Kind of curves around, goes into the palm of the hand, and then a big like nail sticking out. Another one back here. Okay, so 4 claws, and then similar over this side. So big claw here, down for the palm of his hand, and then the thumb seems to come out. Although they're not really thumbs, and cats don't have thumbs, so I don't know what you call them, just like claw. Extra claw. Another claw there. And he's like hands up, worshipping, kind of. Like I've seen him called worshipping Catnap or praying Catnap. So not sure what the official thing is. I think it's a mystery why he's doing it anyway. So far, it's interesting that they would the people running the game would put this in. But that's it. Pretty much. Praying or worshipping Catnap. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.